What's happening out there today, YouTube? Funk Papa here. Got an unboxing video. This one, the order I placed from Hot Topic about a week ago. A couple of the exclusives that they had, and a couple other things. Now let's open it up and see what we got. Let's see what this first one is. Colossus, X-Men. It's the Chrome edition. Yeah, I like to look at him when that chrome is nice. See what this next one is. Oh yeah, I've been waiting on this one to come in. The Doctor Strange Ghost Rider. Yeah, I'm really digging that one. That's nice looking. Next one here. Get damaged. Oh yeah, this is the from the Die Hards, Al Powell. Complete my Die Hard collection. Still waiting on John McClane to come in. We do have the Tony Vresky. We do have both Hans Grubers. And I said waiting on John McClane now, and that won't be complete. All right, that was a nice little haul from Hot Topic there. These are the ones I've been waiting on to come in. Funk Papa out. Collect what you love. Funk Papa here. Give me some likes, comments, subscribe. We'll try to keep it going. Funk Papa out. Collect what you love.